Father's Day comes one time a year, and it's only for one day. Don't you want to make it special for your dear old dad? Before we get started, if you want to follow along and see the pricing for yourself, you can find all the prices to all of these items by using the YouTube shopping button. Let's get right into Ego's outdoor power equipment. First up, we have the Ego 800 Series Select Cut Lawnmower with touch drive. It's got a 21-inch cutting deck. It's self-propelled. It has its battery and charger included with it, 7.5 amp hour battery. It's coming in at $599. When you get it right now for Father's Day, Dad's also going to get an additional 5 amp hour Ego battery pack for free. Let's move on to one of the most powerful leaf blowers in all of the lands. It's the Ego 765 CFM 200 mile per hour more power leaf blower. It's handheld. It's $299 right now. And for a limited time for Father's Day, what they're doing is they're throwing in an additional 2.5 amp hour battery pack for free. That's savings of $179. Let's move on to Ego's string trimmer. It's their power load with line IQ. And what does that mean? That means that feed the line through it, push a little button, it winds itself. Dad's going to be back to work a whole lot quicker. That means that he's going to be able to go grab a beer after yard work so much faster. He's going to love it. It's $299 right now. You're saving a whole bunch of money. Plus, Dad's going to get that additional 2.5 amp hour battery pack for free as well. Dad's also going to need some tools, accessories, possibly. Even if he's not in the trades, he's a homeowner. He loves DIY. He likes to fix things. He's going to need himself a good utility knife. Kobalt has a 3-pack of lockbacks. Right now, they're folding utility knives. It's like all metal construction. It's got quick blade change. They're awesome. You get 3 of them for $16.98. Here's the thing. Competitors' lockbacks of this style, they're like $20 a piece. So comparatively speaking, you'd be spending $60 anywhere else. But for Father's Day at Lowe's Home Improvement, you're getting 3 of these utility knives for like $17. We got a 2-pack of 25-foot Kobalt compact tape measures for $19.98. That means each tape measure is less than $10. Dad's going to have all these new tools for Father's Day. You're probably going to need to get him somewhere to store these tools so he can be organized. Kobalt has a 9-drawer rolling black wood-topped workbench. $398. You're saving $100. That means you're saving 1/5 of the original cost if you do the math. $398 right now. Don't miss out on this one. Slow close drawers. It's got a great looking color scheme. It's a whole bunch of storage. It's even got a power strip on the side. Speaking of power tools, right now, Flex has a whole bunch of discounts. You can see here, we have their circular saw, hammer drill, their most powerful impact driver. It's a flashlight, one of their most rapid chargers. Their stacked lithium battery packs, a 6 amp hour and a 3.5 amp hour in a bag. It's $1,100 worth of batteries, chargers, and power tools. They've discounted all the way down to $449 right now for Father's Day. You mechanics or dad that needs some way to spin the wrenches, but not manually. He wants to do it powerfully with Flex 24-volt, variable speed, brushless, 1/2-inch, cordless impact wrench. Now, this is Flex's mid-torque impact wrench. What does that mean? That means you're going to get like 750 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. You're going to have multi-modes here. It's compact. You're going to be able to fit in tighter spaces. $99 right now. This is a huge value for one of the most feature-rich impact wrenches in the industry. Let's move on. This is the one. It's a showstopper. You're not going to want to miss this if Dad's in the trades or if he has a whole bunch of wood to cut. This is Flex's 24-volt, 7.25-inch brushless, cordless circular saw. This is their rear handle circular saw. I will let you know this is one of the most powerful circular saws in all of the lands from any, I don't care where you shop. This one's at Lowe's Home Improvement. This one's for Father's Day. This is going to beat them all. Number one. Number two, this is including, it doesn't say it here, this includes the saw, their 10 amp hour stacked lithium battery pack, and their super rapid charger in a bag. Cost for this kit is $299, which is a tremendous value, especially when I share with you that the battery that's included in this kit, the 10 amp hour stacked lithium battery pack, is $369 itself. If you do the math on this, battery, charger, saw, bag, like 120% off because of the price of just the battery alone. Flex's 24-volt variable speed brushless cordless recip saw, $149, bare tool right now. If you wanted to see how impressive that reciprocating saw is, go to this video right here. There'll be a link up there. This is one of the best reciprocating saws in the industry. Offers orbital action, offers very little vibration to the hands. It's got like an 1.25 inch stroke length. It's a beast. Don't miss out at $149, bare tool. Love it. I found a couple of really show-stopping tool accessories from Spider. This is one Dad's gonna love. This is the Spider Bimetal Arbored Adjustable Door Lock Kit. Spider has their Stinger Mock Blue 10-piece high steel jobber length twist drill bit set. Includes drill bits all the way up to 3/8 of an inch. It's $29.98. Loving it, loving it. Dad's gonna love you for it. Let's move on to one more Spider tool accessory. This is the carbide tipped arbor adjustable hole saw set. It's got 14 pieces. You got your arbor, you have your pilot bits, but you have a whole bunch of hole saws in this kit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hole saws in this kit. It looks to be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like, yeah, 11, 12. There's a lot. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck with this one. $99. I'm going to dive deeper into this in another episode. So if you're not already, get subscribed and enable all notifications. While you're down there, smash the like button. It's free for you to do. Doesn't cost you a dime. Let us know down in the comments section below, what is your favorite tool deal in this video? And while you're down there, join the notification squad by typing the word first. And if you are indeed first, you will be nominated for an illustrious title and possibly win an award. Now, let's move back to the deals. Blackstone's 28-inch original griddle with hardcover, 2-burner, works on liquid propane. It's their flat top griddle or grill. $249 right now. Here's my favorite part of this. They're including an 8-piece stainless steel tool set with this. It's got aprons, it's got a carry bag, it's got all the tools he's going to need to be turning into a chef on his blacktop. Here's the psychological part. Don't tell Dad I said this, but here's the deal. You get him the Blackstone, he's going to want to impress you with all his cooking skills. So he's going to want to be making you breakfasts and lunches and dinners on his new Blackstone that you got him. So think about it. Werner's got a pretty doggone good deal right now. This is an 8-foot ladder. So if you're living in a home with extended ceilings, 12 foot, 15-foot ceilings, and Dad wants to change the light bulbs, you don't want to call somebody in to do it, he's going to need a taller ladder. This has got 12-foot reach height, okay? It's 8 foot. 8-foot ladders are very expensive. These have been marked down to $199 for a limited time. Here's my favorite part about this though. When you buy this 8-foot ladder, Werner throws in an additional accessory for free. It's their 2-foot step ladder. It's saying that you'll get an 8-foot reach height. It's made of aluminum. It'll hold 300 pounds. It's a $59 value. I mean, I like getting something for free. I know your dad does. Do you? Craftsman has some pretty cool steel storage right now. They have a 9-drawer rolling toolbox with butcher block workbench top. I gotta be honest, I'm a little partial to this because I'm here in the United States of America and they have a pretty cool American flag on the front, but I like Craftsman steel storage. It's got slow close. It is made in the USA with global materials. There's a lot to like about this. Big, large locking casters on the bottom. The patriotic panels are magnetic, so they can be removed. It's got convenient charging capability on the side, 6 outlets and 2 USB ports, and it's made out of 18 and 20 gauge steel. Right now, $649. You're saving $350 on this one. But if you wanted maybe a little more storage, Craftsman has their V series. This is 63-inch wide by 40-inch high, 11-drawer steel rolling tool cabinet. You're saving $300 on this one. It's $1,499 for a limited time, and there's a lot to love about this. You got that large 2/3 of an inch thick butcher block work surface. You have 11 slow close drawers. You have large 4-way locking casters. Best part is you can get free assembly with it. On the subject of tool storage, Klein has discounted their mod box, and they've solved a large issue or a large complaint that has plagued modular tool storage for a long time, and that is the ability to access all boxes at all times. No matter if anything's stacked on it or not. Klein has their 2-drawer rolling toolbox, so the drawers are built into the rolling toolbox at $219.98. This is like a first of its kind. Now, some of you might already have a base drawer or a base box, and you just need more drawers. Klein has a 3-drawer toolbox. Doesn't include wheels. You can put it on top of your wheels. $189.99. And they've deeply discounted their mod box rolling toolbox. This one's not drawers. You have to access it through the top, but this is the cheapest price that I've seen on this box ever. Here's a pretty cool kit from Metabo. This one, you're gonna save $30, but I've never quite seen a combo kit like this ever in my entire life. The impact driver's not the triple hammer, but it is an impact. And we have an 18 gauge brad nailer here. $249 for those 2 tools, a bag, charger, 2 2-amp hour batteries. I really like this one, and it's a unique kit. The other thing is that if you were to buy a Metabo brad nailer, just the brad nailer, it would be $269. So I believe you're actually saving more than $30 on this one. Let's move on to some of the tools you've all been waiting for, and that is DeWalt. Let's start off with this combo kit. It's 2 tools. It's Power Detect. It's one of DeWalt's most powerful hammer drills, paired up with an XR impact driver. You're getting an 8-amp hour battery. You're getting a 2-amp hour battery. You're getting a rapid charger. You're getting a bag, all for $299. They're saying you save $100. And that is correct, because these kits, I've seen them as high as $399 in the past. Let's move on. DeWalt's 8¼ inch 15-amp portable job site table saw. They're including a free stand right now with this at $349. I'm not going to spend too much time on this one. It's a DeWalt table saw. DeWalt is known for their large circular saws, table saws, motor saws, and it's not frequent that they get discounted or they include free accessories like stands. So grab this one while it lasts. DeWalt's miter saw. It's 12 inches. It's 15 amps. It's a dual bevel sliding compound motor saw from DeWalt. Once again, it is world renowned. $399. Regular price on this one, $629. It's a beast of a deal. This is DeWalt's XR 20 volt max cordless brushless 3-speed oscillating multi-tool with battery, charger, in a bag, $99. This one's not going to last long. It says it ends July 23rd. I will tell you that inventory, they will sell out of this. This is one that you do not see very frequently. If your dad's running those DeWalt tools, he's probably going to want some DeWalt tool accessories. This is a doggone good kit. 55 pieces. You're getting Phillips, slotted, Torx. You're getting nut setters in this kit. You're getting your magnetic drive. You're getting 1-inch bits, 2-inch bits. It's $19.98. If we do the math on this, you're looking at 36 cents per piece. That's a tremendous value because you are getting some accessories in there like the nut setters that generally will drive costs up on kits of this size. Don't miss out. Dad's going to love it. He's going to need them to drive those screws for his DIY projects. But just remember, if he's got the tools, he's going to want to use them. Probably help you with some of your DIY projects.